What's up guys, how to make color effect like this? Let's go and start it. First of all, select your favorite font and type anything. I am typing Mr. Beast. Then OK. Then go to layer and click mouse right button and blending option. Then gradient overlay. Already color here, but I choose new one. Then click here and click here and choose this type of color like this, or then OK. Again click here and choose dark blue, then OK. Click another one and click here and white, then OK. Click here and change something like that, then OK. This is good. Actually you can just 50% and this is 50%. Then actually like this, then OK. You can change scale like this, then OK. Duplicate this layer, Ctrl J, then right click and blending option, click stroke and 2 and click this type of color code here, then OK. OK. After that again right click and create rasterized layer style, then click add mask layer and choose eraser tool, then remove this like this, then click brush tool, soft brush and handness 0, then OK. Then just and this is our final output. Thanks for watching. Thank you.